Hello everyone. Now I am providing TOSCA Automation Testing with SAP Modules and non-SAP Modules with real-time scenarios by Govind. Let me discuss about one by one tools and testing trainings. TOSCA Automation Testing with SAP Modules, SAP Modules Automation, Microfocus ALM for test management and defect tracking, and SAP Manual Testing with project. Coming to agenda, introduction to automation testing, like different kind of automations are available in the market. We will discuss all the tools like SAP TAO and CBTA, Microfocus UFT with compared to the TOSCA. And TOSCA installation systems, how to install TOSCA in your system. Then TOSCA Commander, creating workspace and type of licenses, requirements, different kind of requirements and modules, test cases we will discuss during the training, and modules and test cases, and action modules, different kind of action modes are available. We will discuss one by one during the training sessions with examples. Synchronization and standard modules, okay, with examples, and reusable test steps and blocks, and conditions and loops, and web tables and SAP tables with examples, and test case design and test data preparation and modules with examples, and test execution list, executing the test cases and test scenarios from the execution grid with examples. Then finally SAP with TOSCA architecture, how to implementing in your projects. Please email me or call me if you want to training, if you want to TOSCA training. Okay, please WhatsApp, send WhatsApp message or contact me or email me. Thank you for watching.